Narinig nung source kahapon na bata yata siya. Bata yung nagsabi kung sino yung bata yung boses niya. Mas pinangalanan niya kung sino yung gumagawa ng something. Tapos sabi ko, i-report mo. Picture. Hindi ko alam kung ganun yung ginawa niya. Pero may kinakausap siyang iba. Hindi ako. Pinapaninig na siya. Para siyang naka-loudspeaker. Tapos, sinabi niya yung pangalan ng gumagawa daw ng kalokohan. I suggest na huwag mo lang siyang sabihin. If you are sure that she is the one who is doing or who is trying to kill me or to hurt me, or not just me, someone out there, report them immediately or call someone that you could trust and help you to seize those people or seize those criminals, just in case you are not familiar with the procedures or that they are telling you they are entitled to do it. So seek someone who could verify. Okay? Kasi ikaw yung nakakaalam, ikaw yung nakapag-verify, ikaw yung sure na sila yon. So, ikaw yung gagawa ng action, hindi yung pinagsasabihan mo. O kung halimbawa ipinakita mo sa kanya, ikaw yun, kayo yung gagawa, hindi yung nakakarinig sa'yo. Kasi malamang sa malamang may mga nadadamay na hindi naman kasali talaga or biktima talaga sila. So, ikaw yung gagawa ng action, hindi yung sinasabihan mo. Kasi lang siya, accessory ganyan, or biktima or inosente na nakakatanda ng mga information na binibigay mo. So, ikaw yun.